Okay, so this is the folder Salesforce CPQ January 23 batch, where we are tracking our all Salesforce CPQ training content. Okay, I have just added this folder which called CPQ survival series in this on this our drive folder. So if you just open this, you will find the Google document. Okay, again on this Google document the name is CPQ survival series. If you open this, you will find out the survival series. Okay, survival means that was the series has been held by official Salesforce. Okay, so they had a sessions on the Salesforce CPQ, and really they were really helpful about like to get some more insights related to the Salesforce CPQ. Okay, so what you have to do, just open this link in your new tab, and you will get directly access to the video. Okay, so there are total 7 videos, and this is the most famous CPQ survival training, where you will all get to know about the different topics they have provided. So it is like a bonus part you can have in your list if you are learning the Salesforce CPQ. So it is definitely recommended by me that you should have to go through this as well. Okay, now this is the folder that I have renamed, that is daily session recorded training videos. Here you will find out the our daily recorded daily training session videos that I am uploading quickly after finishing each and every session. Okay, and this is the syllabus. So just let me update the syllabus. We have covered the types of products and set its setup. Okay, now today we have the topic, the product options and features in the setup. Okay, so let's talk about product options, feature, setup in the Salesforce CPQ. Before that, I would like to go through with the bundles. Okay, that means we were created the different type of products in our yesterday's session, right? We have created the subscription product, one-time product. Again, inside the subscription product, we have created like how should we have we are going to make any product as a bundle product or as a single product. Either it will be the single product or one-time product. Okay, so that is something we have done in our yesterday's session. Now today we will work with the product options and features setup in the CPQ. So product options and features are nothing but they are the custom objects which comes with the Salesforce CPQ. Okay, so product option and features are the different object. Product option is the one object. Okay, and feature is the one object that are related with the product object. Okay, as a master detail relationship. So today in our session we will just walk through for quickly like what are the bundles. Okay, so bundles some kind of like collections of the products, right? So more than one product that can be a bundle that are offered together. So bundles may be pre-packaged, it's totally depend upon us, like to allow to modify them, or they may be configurable, or if we can restrict to modify any kind of bundle. Okay, so allowing the user to determine the makeup of bundle, often like guided by business or technical rules that validate the configuration. Okay, so Bundles also represent a special pricing that is only offered when multiple products are purchased together. Okay, I will give you a quick example that will be a best example. Okay, for example, a monitor, the TV monitor. Okay, a monitor may be priced at, like, for example, $500 standalone. Okay, I'm just selling a monitor as a single product for $500. Okay, but it could be offered for 25% off when purchased with a desktop computer, right? When when my monitor price is $500, but I am offering the 25% off when someone is purchasing my monitor with desktop computer. Okay, that is the bundle example. The second is like, if a charger may be priced at a $50 standalone. Okay, that is means a charger is a $50 price as a single product, but we can include it for a free when laptop is purchased, right? Because whenever we are purchasing the laptop, so that time charger is coming as a free of cost, right? But this is included in the laptop bundle, right? Whenever we are purchasing the laptop, they are not asking us that you have to purchase the charger separately, and we are just giving you the laptop for $500, right? So exceptional case is Apple is not providing for phones. Okay, in India, I don't know about outside the India, but in India, whenever we are purchasing the iPhone, that time I think so we need to uh, purchase a adapter separately. uh, but in the same, most of the things, right? When we purchase anything from the online, maybe from Amazon or something, you will see there are a lot of products, they are coming with the bundle. Okay, that means there are different SKUs. Okay, the best example is, if I'm getting the laptop product, then with my laptop product I'm getting the charger as well, right? But sometimes we need to configure, right? As I said, in the earlier example, uh, monitor having its own price as a $500. Okay, if I have decided to purchase the monitor as a single monitor, as a single product, then I have to pay the $500, right? But again, I have another offer on the monitor. If someone is buying the desktop computer along with monitor, then I will be apply the 25% discount on this both product, right? So that time what I will do, I will configure the product. Okay, I will configure the product such as the user can purchase, or the sales rep can sell the both products at a time on the basis of 25% discount off, right? So this is kind of thing we are going to configure in the bundle products. But what are the necessary things to configure any bundle, right? So in our previous session, what we have done, we have just uh, created a bundle product, right? But the next step, we want to uh, add the product options inside the bundle. To make any product as a bundle product, what we have to do, we have to add another products as their product option. Okay, so another product means that are the child products. Like for example, if my parent bundle product is laptop, then my charger will be the its child product. Child product means it's a product option, right? So we create a product option record for purpose of as a child product, right? So this is the best example. If we are creating the laptop product, okay, then it will be a parent product, and under this laptop we are selling to the customer, we are selling the another different SKUs as their product option. Okay, so let's just jumpstart into our Salesforce CPQ org and just let's check. So for that reason I'm going to create just a fresh new product, okay, to better understanding. So we have this Salesforce CPQ tab here, you know all how we can go through here. Just go through the app launcher, okay, and on this app launcher you can find out the Salesforce CPQ, or if you are not able to, you can just single click on this and search in the search bar, okay. So you will find out the Salesforce CPQ. Then now go to the product tab. Now what we are doing, we are creating the bundle product, right? So first of all I need to write down what are the parameters we need to create any product as a bundle product. Okay, so first step is create a product and define it as a parent record, okay. So that means we need first of all we need one product that will behave as a parent product, okay. So in our example I will okay, so recording has been stopped up to this point, okay. So I'm again just let me just go through an overview, okay. So we have to create the product and we have to define as a parent record, okay. So laptop 14-inch is our bundle parent product, okay, and we have created this product in our system and we have defined all the specification values for this product. Now as I said, we instead of creating this product, okay, we have already the SSD drive, RAM 16 GB and CPU. These 4 products we have already. So just edit me to this document, okay. Instead of adapter I will check for CPU and warranty, that is product, we will create another one. Okay, so now we have CPU, RAM, storage and warranty. Warranty is something we need to create, I think so. So I'm going to create just a warranty product, okay. Again we can search for the warranty product if we have the warranty products already in our system. So go to the all products and just search for the warranty. Okay, so this is the support product. We offered the warranty for any like hardware product or a software product, right? So this is the subscription product. If customer wants to extend the warranty, they can extend, right? So this is the product warranty, and let me check if it is renewable, right? So you can check here on the warranty product. They have specified this warranty product is a subscription product, right? That means they have specified the subscription pricing is fixed price, subscription term is 12 months. So whenever we are providing the warranty, it is by default for 1 year, right? And it is subscription type is renewable. Okay, so we have all these 5 products. Okay, the RAM, we have 2 options in the RAM, 8 GB and 16 GB. We have hard drive of SSD 128 GB. We have CPU, and we have the warranty. Now the next step is to add our newly created product in the price book entry, right? As you already know, these products are already there in the standard price book, okay, because they have been created directly by with the CPQ package, okay. So they are already in the standard price book. If we want to add, just we need to add them into the custom price book, okay. So let me go to our 14-inch laptop. Since this is the bundle laptop, so I'm going to in the related list, and in the related list, first thing I need to add this product in the price book, okay. So my laptop price is $5,000. Okay, again I'm adding my laptop into my custom price book. We have the custom price book 2023 currency, we just have using the USD, and next. Again the price will be the same for my custom price book as well. I'm not changing the price, but it's totally depend upon our business requirement, for what purpose we have created this custom price book, right? So again it's totally depend upon you. You can make the prices as a different prices in the different price books, okay. Now we have this product, right? So now we want to add this product in the 14-inch laptop as a product option. Before that, we will add these 5 products, okay. It will be behave as a product option, it will be work as a product option for 14-inch laptop. So we will add all these products in our custom price book, okay. Right now they have already their list prices, so I'm just going to add. I'm keeping the prices same as per the standard price. Yeah, you can ask the question.
Yeah, in a situation when whereby we have a lot of options, do we do it manually, just one by one, the way you do it?
Yeah, I'm just creating to it manually right now, okay, for
Hmm.
that purpose to uh, uh, like to understand the important fields on the product option. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
But there should be a
we
way
will
to automate.
have that exercise as well to create the options in the bulk way. That is just thing data migration thing,
Okay. Okay.
right? So we will have, like, if you can see in our exercise, so data migration will be the separate topic for our training session, where you will learn about demo project with data migration, that how to create, insert, update the multiple records, maybe the product or product option. Okay, so that time you will learn about how to create the product options in the bulk way.
Like a workbench or data loader.
Maybe data loader, we can use anything like the familiar tool. They both tools are the familiar.
Okay.
But most time I prefer the workbench, because it's just without any installing the software or something like that. We can just go to the web and we can make the operations.
But there are some environment they don't use the workbench.
Yeah. Okay. So don't worry about that. So just let's create the product option for our 14-inch laptop. Okay. Now you can see here in the products related list, as we have added the price books, there are a lot of tabs are here, the sections are here: feature, option constraint, configuration, attribute, rules. Right now we have concern about the options, and we are going to create a new option for this 14-inch laptop product. So to create a new option, you have to just hit the new button, okay, in front of the options. Click on the new. Now the first option is the lookup field, where you have to find out your lookup product. Okay, now I am going to add the first product is my RAM product. Okay, so RAM is 18 GB, and I am going to provide the numbering for my option. Okay, so numbering will be like uh, uh, the numbering that will be specify the ascending and descending order of the option on the product selection page. Okay, so that means you can give any number, but the best practice is to take the numbers in the format of like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You have to leave it blank, leave the value blank from 1 to 9, 2 to 9. So whenever if you want to add a new product, at that time you can get any value between the 1 to 10. Okay, so I'm taking this 10 number for this RAM 8 GB. Then configured SKU is the field, that means for this product option. Okay, what will be, who which product will be the parent product. Okay, that means the 14-inch laptop. If you are configuring directly on the bundle product, okay, we are creating the product option directly on the 14-inch laptop. That's why it has been automatically populated the configured SKU, right? So that means it is a parent product where we are creating the product option. Now this is the second field. We can make this enable if you want to pre-select this product option at the time of configuration, right? So I'm leaving it right now as a blank, or maybe if we can select it. Okay, so selected means select the checkbox if this product option should be automatically selected by default. There is no need to check, or there is no need to select this product by sales representative at the time of configuration, right? Now the feature is the again the lookup field. So we will look out on the feature as well. Just let me finish the new product option. Okay, just let me finish the new product option, and after that we will create the feature as well. Now the quantity. So if your RAM 8 GB on this product, by default, if it is have a quantity, then it will pass directly on the quantity field. It will be considered by default whatever quantity there is on the product record. Okay, but again you can define here, right? You can define here the quantity for separately for the product option. Okay, so I am going to provide one. Now the required field is the checkbox, same kind of a selected, but required, what does make it, when we are selecting this checkbox, right now if I am enabling this, then at the time of product selection we can't skip this product, okay, or we can't disable this product option, or we can't unselect this product option at the time of product configuration. That means whenever you are purchasing the 14-inch laptop, you are required to buy a 8 GB RAM. Okay, if I am checking or if I am enabling this required checkbox, that means whenever you are purchasing the 14-inch laptop, that time you are required to buy the 8 GB RAM. Okay, but we are making this disable, we are leaving it is as a disable, because we want to make this product option as optional. Okay, so whether like sales rep can select or deselect it. Now the type component, this field is a very important field. Okay, so we have 3 different values for this type field. Whenever we are configuring the product option, we have to consider this field as important. Okay, why? So if we are providing the component value for any product option, that means it behaves like I am selling with this parent product 14-inch laptop, then whatever quantity of this 14-inch laptop I am defining on the code, then automatically the quantity will reflect for 8 GB RAM, right? For example, see, I have selected the 14-inch laptop, okay, and you can see here I have the only one quantity by default here on the product option, but I need to purchase the 15 laptops or 10 laptops. Okay, at that time we need a 10 RAM as well, right? If we are purchasing the laptop, we are purchasing the parameters as well, we are purchasing the RAM as well along with the laptop. So that means that doesn't work like this, like if I am purchasing the 10 laptops and I will be have only one RAM for the 10 laptop, right? So for this reason, if I am selecting the component, what it will be behave like, if I am changing the quantity of parent product, then it will be automatically change the quantity for RAM as well, for the product option as well. So that's why we have created, we are selecting the component. Now if I am making this accessory, okay, so accessory means you can see here accessory, if I am selecting, so it is the like this product will be dependent upon the parent product. Okay, it will be totally dependable upon the parent product, but the quantity will be independent. That means we can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity specifically for this product. For example, if I am purchasing the 10 laptop, so I can purchase the 15 RAMs or I can purchase only 5 RAMs, right? So this is the accessory option we can select if we want to make this product option like a dependent on the parent product but independent quantity. Independent means this is not dependent upon the quantity of RAM is not dependent upon the laptop quantity, right? So that time you can choose the accessory value. And the related product is something, if you are choosing the related product, that means this product options doesn't mean that this product option is not dependent on the parent product and its quantity also not dependent on this parent product. Okay, we can, if we are adding this product option for this laptop, it is totally an optional, we can delete it or we can remove it from the 14-inch laptop at the time of configuration. If we have selected this product and we have given the type is related product, okay, you can edit the quantity directly on the quote line editor, right? So this is the three types of product options. One is component, one is accessory, and third is related product. Component means the the product option and its quantity is totally dependable upon the parent product. The accessory means product option is dependent on the parent product but its quantity is independent. Okay, so you can change or you can have the different quantities for a parent product and product option. Then third one is related product. That means this is totally independent product just added as a product option inside the parent product, and we can have the different quantities for a parent product and product option. So right now for our in our example I am making this as a component. Okay, so whenever I will change the quantity of my laptop, it will reflect for the RAM as well. Okay, now again we can set the restrictions here as a minimum quantity and maximum quantity. Like if I am putting up that customer should have to buy at least one quantity. Okay, if we are selling this product, then we cannot sell this product for a zero quantity. Okay, so for that reason if you are not putting any value here, that means a zero. Okay, and if you are putting the any value here, for example if I have selected the 5, okay, so at that time it will restrict me whenever I will configure the product, and if I select this RAM 8 GB inside the 14-inch laptop, that time it will restrict me to increase the quantity beyond the 5. Okay, so that is the something we can restrict on product option itself. Okay, so I am leaving it now blank. And quantity editable is the checkbox. If you are selecting this checkbox, that means you can edit the quantity for this product on the quote line editor. Okay, now the quote line visibility is something the field that really we don't need to like we don't need to make impact on this field. So if we are selecting the values from allows editor only, so that time we can configure the quote line as per our value. Like always means if the quote line has been created for this product option, okay, so you can edit or you can make it visible at the time of the contract creation or at the time of code creation. Okay, so if you are selecting the editor only, that means it will be always visible at the time of editing the code. Okay, not any time like on the product selection time or after the contact creation. Okay, so if I am selecting the editor only, that means it will be visible, that product option only will be visible on the quote line at the time of editing, right? And if I am selecting the document only, that means this product option will not visible at the time of configuration or on the time of quote line creation. It will be directly visible on the document whenever we are creating the template or we are creating the quote document. That time it will be visible only on the document, not for the users. Okay, and if you are selecting never, then it will not. That is something like the best example, the hidden charges, right? So companies are taking the hidden charges from ourselves as well. We don't know what we are going to be paid and for what purpose we are going to paid for anything else, right? So that time, that is means the never means it will never show to the customer that why the price has been increased. Okay, but we can see because we have added this product, we have added the the quantity of this product. Okay, so that is mean this is just a purpose of quote line visibility. So where you want to make this quote line as a visible, or where you want to make this like a restrict to show of this line for any place. Okay, so keep it this functionality is always, because in very rare projects we use this functionality. Okay, on the basis of requirement, if customer is asking that I don't want to show this product on the quote line editor, but I want to show this product on the document. Okay, so that time I will select only document, right? So our sales rep will also not able to see this product. It is by default selected, and it will be visible directly on the document, not on the quote line editor. Okay, now these are the pricing things. Okay, where you can define your unit price for your product option, right? So for our RAM 8 GB we have already a price, right? What is the price? Let's check. The $50, right? But again you can define your own unit price for this particular product option, right? Now I know if I'm selling the RAM 8 GB as a single product, right? So that time my price is $50, but I want to offer a discount on this. Okay, so I can apply the unit, I can decrease the price directly here. Okay, or I can apply the 10% specific discount for this product. Why? Because I am selling this product along with the laptop. Not I am not selling this product as a single product. I have included this product as a inside the laptop, right? And the first field, the bundle checkbox, is the field where if you are enabling this checkbox, that means you are selling this product a free of cost. Doesn't matter whatever price is there and whatever price we have added we have added in the price book, right? So if you are selecting this, that means it will be there but as a free of cost. Okay, so sometimes you can see on any product, if you are purchasing the included, you can see there if you are selecting the laptop, and you will see what is included inside the inside this laptop. So included means the charger, or maybe if some company is providing the cover case for the laptop. Okay, so you will get the included products. That means they have been bundled. Okay, they are visible to you, but they are like they are selling to you that as a separate product along with the along with the parent product, but they are free of cost. Okay, so this is the functionality of bundle checkbox. Whenever you want to sell any product inside the bundle product, if you want to sell any product option as the free of cost, at that time what you have to do, you have to just select the bundle checkbox. Then on the quote line editor, it will show you that this product option is included inside the bundle. So that's why we are not charging, or we are not getting paid for this product. Okay, so right now I'm not selecting this. And discount, there are two fields. You can apply the discount in percentage, or whether you can apply the discount in amount, right? So these four fields are not really important for right now. We will cover it in our next session. Next minute we are not skipping this, we will just covering in our upcoming sessions whenever we need it. Okay, as a project. Now this is the discount schedule. It is also an discount schedule lookup. So discount schedule is a different record where we create the discount schedules and we apply specifically for a product or product option. Okay, now that are the basic fields that we need to create the product option, right? So that was the explanation in detail that how we can create the product option. Let me save it. Okay, now I have the product option RAM 8 GB. Okay, now let me add faster way the different another product options. Okay, now we have the RAM 16 GB and number I am going to provide the 20. I don't want to select this as a pre-selected. Okay, quantity will be by default 1, and we have already a configured SKU, that means the parent product where we are inserting this product option. Okay, type again I will select as a component, and I'm not applying any discount for this 16 GB RAM. Okay, just click and save new. If you are selecting the save and new, that means it will create the product option record itself, and it will show you the again another window pop up. Now I want to add the SSD drive. Okay, SSD drive. So this is the manual way how that we can create the product options for the bundle product. Okay, so this is our bundle product and we are creating the manual options for it. Now SSD drive, I am selecting this number as again 10, the 30, and I want to make this product as a selected, quantity is 1, type is also a component. I am going to select the type is component, and yeah, this is the all things that we need to require to save this record. Then the CPU 40, CPU is not selected, quantity 1. I'm going to make this CPU as a required, okay, instead of selected. That means we can't skip the CPU part because each and every laptop comes with the CPU, right? So we don't want to skip this CPU part. Whenever they are selecting the laptop product, they have to purchase the CPU. Okay, but again I want to make this CPU as a free of cost. Okay, because it's bundled, so I am checking the checkbox as a bundled. So we'll check after that how it will behave on the code. Okay, now we have the another product is warranty, right? So click on the new, warranty 50. Then this is not selected or required. Okay, quantity is 1, and this is the related product I am providing. Okay, that means that this product is not dependent upon the parent product, and we can change the quantity of that product at the time of. Okay, and this is not a bundled, so I'm just checking and click on the save. Okay, so right now we have the options. Now the last part, okay, and the last part we have remains, that is the feature. Okay, so this is the simple part. Okay, feature is just the thing we are going to create to categorize this option. Okay, how to categorize this option at the time of configuration of the bundle product. Okay, so let's check on the code itself how the products are behaving right now. Okay, so go to the code, edit lines, Now we are going to add our newly created parent product along with its option. Okay, I just need to delete this. Click on the add product. Okay, you will see the 14-inch laptop. Select this and select. Okay, now you will see along with 14-inch laptop we have this options, right? So instead of 8 GB I can deselect it and I can select the RAM 16 GB, right? Now I have the SSD 128. This is already pre-selected. Okay, it's totally depend on me that if I can select or deselect, but right now in our example I'm selecting this. Now CPU 16 gigahertz 1.6 gigahertz is something like I cannot deselect it because it's required, right? It's required, and it is the optional that warranty if I want to sell the warranty along with this laptop or not. So I'm selecting these 4 products. Okay, instead of RAM 16 GB I will select the RAM 8 GB and save. Now you will see here, okay, on the line editor, the price of the laptop is 5,000, right? And the quantity of laptop is 1. Now along with this laptop we have added the product options: RAM 8 GB, like you see, RAM 8 GB, SSD hard drive, RAM 16 GB, CPU, right? But we have made this product, sorry, right, we have made this product as a bundled, right? So that's why it is showing us this product is included, right? The net unit price is 0 and the product is included. So whenever you want to sell your product as a free of cost inside the bundle, you can select that option, that bundle checkbox option, right? So bundle checkbox option, it is here on the product option record. Again I want to take you through this, right? So the bundle checkbox I have selected here. This is the bundle checkbox, right? Now this option seems like an uncategorized, right? Uncategorized means how we can find out from which category they are. Okay, so for that purpose I am going to create the product options. Now the RAM category is falls under the memory, right? So which kind of memory we have to select on the laptop. So SSD is the storage, what kind of storage and how much storage we are going to select. A CPU is kind of a processor and warranty is the support product, right? So we are going to create the features for our option. So before going like the same, we need to create the feature same as like we have created the options. Go to the parent record, okay, and in the related list you will see the feature section, okay, and in front of feature section click on the new button, give the proper name for your feature. Okay, now I am going to give the name as a memory. Okay, the second field is a numbering, same this is as like for purpose of ascending and descending. So I am going to provide the 10. Then minimum option and maximum option are there, the same like as a product as a product option. So where if you are selecting this minimum option as a 1, that means you are required to select at least one option from this category, right? So I am going to make this a 0 because it is totally depend upon sales representative. If he doesn't want to select any product option from this category, he can skip the selection. Okay, for that reason I am going to make this a 0. Now maximum option, I want to restrict the users to select only one product option from this category, from this feature. Okay, so I am going to restrict the user to select only one option. He can't select more than one option from this category. So just give the value maximum option as a 1 and minimum option as 0. Minimum means he can skip the selection of the products from this category or this feature. Okay, from this feature category. And again, if he want to select, he can only select up to one product from this category. Okay, now option selection method, that is something a UI part. You can make it it is like optional. You can make it whatever you want to, what kind of UI you want to select, like option selection method, dynamic option filters, it's field set, all the things are there. Okay, now category is something you can create your own category, right? So this is falling under the hardware, so I'm selecting hardware for this feature. And discount schedule, as I said, we can apply the discount schedule on the product option level as well. And if I am applying the discount on the top of feature, that means all the product options inside this feature will get affected or will get reflected the discount schedule, whatever discount schedule I have provided here. Okay, so we will check this in the session of our discount schedule. We have the discount schedule session separately on this. Now just save and new. I want to create another feature category as well. Okay, now my second category is storage. Okay, so minimum option is 0 and I am leaving the blank for the maximum option because it is not required. Number is 20. Category is hardware. Again save and new. The third one feature is processor. Minimum option we can have 1 because for one laptop we can have only one processor, right? We can't select more than one processor. And maximum option we can have only one processor for one laptop. So I have given the minimum and maximum option. If we have a lot of product option inside this feature category, but we can select only one and at least one, that kind of scenario I am creating here, right? So for minimum option I have provided one value. That means user should select or sales representative should select only at least one option from this feature. Okay, at least they should select one processor from this feature, and again they can select only one feature from this feature. So that's why I am going to limit the minimum and maximum. And category, again I am going to provide the hardware. Okay, numbering is I am going to provide the 30. Click and save. Now my third option is support. Sorry, my fourth feature is support. So I'm going to make it like a minimum option as a 0 and maximum is a blank because I don't want to make it at least a scenario here. That means user can skip this warranty product or support product from this category. Giving the number as a 40. Category I am selecting the software. And save. Now we have created this features, okay, on the top of this product bundle. Now we have to add this product option inside these features, right? We have to categorize them now. So that's why we are going to add them. Let me close these all tabs. Okay, so just open any option in the new tab. I will show you how to provide the feature. Right, so we have configured already all the things for this product option, but we didn't provided the feature. Okay, so enter a lookup the feature that includes this option. This will be dependent on the configured SKU, right? So I'm going to edit. This is the lookup for feature, and I will add for RAM my memory. So if you are not seeing here anything, just type 2-3 keywords. Okay, if you are typing 2-3 keywords, it will show you your product features. Okay, so this is the feature where I am assigning it to the product option. That means this product option is now falling under the memory feature. Click on the save. Again, do the same thing for remaining product. Now my RAM, sorry, we have to click on the option record. Okay, click view, open in the new tab all these remaining 4 options. So we have the RAM, for RAM 8 GB we have added the memory. For RAM 16 GB, again we are adding this product option inside the memory feature. Okay, so type 2-3 keywords and save. Now we have this SSD hard drive, and I am adding this product option inside the my storage feature category that we have created, right? Let me check. I am not able to find out the storage. We have created the storage option, right? Sorry, spelling mistake. Let me correct it. Go to the drop down and edit this. Right, storage. Now go to the product option. Again try to find out. We have to refresh this page. Storage. Okay, and save. Now we have the CPU. I am adding this product option inside the processor. And warranty, which will comes under the support. Okay, so we have created the features and option for our 14-inch laptop, right? So let's check it on our code, how it will behave. Let me refresh the code page. Sorry. Delete this, add the product, we have the 14-inch laptop, select. Okay, now you will see this product option has been categorized. Why? Because of feature. These are the features: memory, storage, processor. These are the features, right? And the RAM 8 GB, RAM 16 GB, SSD 128. These are the product options, and this is our bundle parent product, right? So this is our bundle parent product, this is our feature, and this is our product option. And now you will see here the categories, hardware and software. The categories we have provided to our features, right? So for our memory, storage and processor, we have provided the hardware category, and for our support we have provided the software category. Okay, so you can leave it blank, okay, on the top of feature. If you want to leave the blank, okay, so you can make it a you can make it a blank if you want to, if you don't want to make a choice, or sometimes user can forgot to select the options from another category, right? So that time, if you want to add all the options in only one roof, that time you can skip this. All right, so just for your purpose, I have to understand the category purpose, I have added the category on the top of feature. So that means features are being used to categorize the options, and again this category field has been used to categorize the feature. Understand? So features are being used to categorize these product options, and again if we have the multiple features, we can categorize these features by using category fields, right? So for this example, we are not going to provide any category, because we have just a few features in our list. Okay, now you will see, if I am going to make the refresh, sorry 14-inch laptop, select. Now we will see all features are in one roof inside the 14-inch laptop. This is the bundle product that we have selected. This is the memory. Now let's talk about the first feature. Okay, so inside the first feature, this is our first feature, we have two options, right? But we can select only one, right? Why? Because we have given the limit for a memory that you can select only maximum one option. Whatever options you have doesn't matter, but we have provided the limit for maximum option, right? For this reason, we are just able to select the only one option, that is which is coming with the radio button, right? So that is the thing. Then second is storage option. Inside the storage, I have not selected any product right now. Okay, so when we configure this product, at that time some of the products already comes with the selected situation, right? That means RAM 8 GB is already selected. Why? Because on the product option record, we have selected the checkbox as a selected. That's why it is coming with as a pre-selected, right? And if I click on this, yeah, I can deselect as well, doesn't matter. Okay, now let's talk about the storage feature. So inside the storage, we have SSD 128 RAM, and again for SSD 128 RAM, we have selected this feature as a pre-selected. Okay, sorry, this product option should be a pre-selected. That's why it is showing now as a pre-selected. Again, we can have the privilege to deselect it. Okay, or we can again select it, but this is a purpose. If you are selecting the selected checkbox on the top of product option, it will save your time to select the products. If you have multiple products to select, then it will save your time of the selection. That's why we check that checkbox on the product option. Okay, now we have the third feature called called processor. Okay, inside the processor we have only one option. Okay, and it is already selected and it is required, right? That means I can't disable it or I can't deselect it, because we have made this product as a required. Whenever we are selling this 14-inch laptop product, we have to be sold this CPU along with this 14-inch laptop. Okay, now again the fourth is my support product. It is totally on the like on our requirement. If we are providing the warranty along with laptop, then definitely we can sell. Okay, and just save the code. So that's all to about the product option and feature. Okay, so let me know if you have questions related to the product option and feature, and related to the bundle setup. Yeah.
Um, what object were you on when you were showing us a couple of days ago? I can't remember, maybe last week, when you were showing the filter.
Filter,
Yeah,
product
you were
object.
showing us. Okay.
Okay, so this is the, you can have, see, you can have the filter on each and every tab. Okay, so for example, see here, uh, you are on the product tab, you have selected like all products, right? But you want to see the specific products, right? The specific product, like for example, you want to see only the laptop product. How many laptops are there in my product list? You can just go to this filter. Okay, in the right side,
Okay.
right, and you can add a filter. You can uh, add any field by using product family, product code, that kind of thing, right?
So this product option and feature help us to able to filter out the type of product we're looking for. Does that make sense? Because the future help us to categorize the product options, right?
Right, right,
So when you are, I forgot the conversation, then you are here. You say you can go to the filter. Um, uh, it wasn't really. I didn't get it at that time, but now when you explain everything about the product options and the feature, where the feature will be used to categorize put those products
right.
into where they're supposed to be. So now my mind went back to that conversation that you were showing us, the filter. You can filter if you're looking, if you have, we were talking about what if you have so many products and you don't know how to search those products, and you show us
Okay,
you go to
if you don't know how to search products and use them as a product option, right?
right.
Okay, so that time, see, in every project, whenever you are working on to make creation of the product option, or the, if you have the requirement to create a bundle product, so that time the product team provides you the sheet, different sheet. Okay, so at that time you have to work with the sheet, and as I said, we are not going to create the product options as a manually, right?
uh
We are not going to create product options as a manually. We have to just import or export thing. So you will get all the all the
Eh,
exercise
Question.
related to this.
You say is we have to import, or yeah, we have to bring the
Yes,
those data from somewhere, but where you bringing it from, are they not done manually there, or are they how those products
See,
exist? I
you
mean,
have to
those
search
data.
out. You have to search out that product, okay, and
No,
that
what
that
I'm saying is,
yes,
what?
definitely. See, if for just example, this is the product, okay, and for example, again, I need to add another option. So your concern is how I would like how you would know that which product and where you can find out, right? So if we are going to add a new product, you will see this is the lookup field. You have to need to know just the product name, which product name you are going to insert as a product option. If you are selecting just, if you are just typing the name, okay, for example, let me add another one product, okay, warranty, sorry, then you will find out whatever products are there, okay, in the warranty extension, warranty and loss and damage warranty. For example, if I want to add this loss and damage warranty, then I can select directly here, okay. So it gives you the lookup list on the basis of your search keyword, but definitely you should have to know about the product name, maybe at least 2 3 keywords of that product, so you can easily search it out and you can easily select. You don't need to look out, or you don't need to at each and every time you don't need to go to the filter out the product and check that list. You can just check your external sheet and you can type here 2 3 keywords if you are making this thing the manually, okay. But most of the time we don't do this thing manually, so I will show you how to import and export the things uh, for the for this kind of insert option or the update options, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody have a question? Okay, so yeah.
No, madam.
Okay. So today we have done with the product options and features. Okay. Tomorrow we don't have the class because of we have here the Republic holiday in India, and really I don't want to miss our military parade. I am going to attend this event, and this is a very early in the early morning, so uh, we will have off on tomorrow morning. But yeah, definitely we will have the class on my Friday, maybe your Thursday night. So we will have a class on Friday morning. So until this week, we will have only one class, okay, and we will continue from the Monday. And definitely, I will take care about the training part. Sorry, the time consideration. I will not uh, make this happen again too late the timing. And uh, now you have the time, so I'm creating the sheet, okay. I'm working on it, it's complete, like it's kind of 50% completed. I'm working on it. I will share the sheet today end of the day. Inside that sheet I'm going to provide some products and the sheet exercise kind of thing. So you have to create that products in your system, you have to create the bundle product, subscription product, and you will get to learn about. And definitely just go through this folder that I have already added recently, okay. So it is very helpful if you want to check this in any time in the future, okay. So this is just a video series related to the Salesforce CPQ, and it is all officially provided by Salesforce. So it is hard to find out, but I have the resources collected in my learning days, so that's why I had this you can say it's like a treasure for me. Okay, so just find out this folder to check the Salesforce CPQ videos. Okay, I'm done for today. Okay, so bye, goodbye, and we will see on the Friday.
A final question before you leave.
Yeah,
Is there any way each time we talk about very important topic like tonight, that you just explain how requirements is given, how in a real life, how it looks like? This is how this is just we are just this is training, right?
yeah, definitely,
To make
definitely.
it real. Like this is how they give you the requirements, and this is how you handle it. The requirement was supposed, usually been, could be big, could be many, could be, and this how long it may take you
Yeah,
to do the
definitely.
configuration. Or the configuration will be done in the sandbox. Can you please?
Yeah, yeah,
Because
definitely.
that's
See,
the goal of this class.
yeah,
That's the goal.
and I understand your concern, right? And I have promised you guys that we will go through this training on the basis of requirement, right? So the thing that I have explained earlier, I'm working on the requirement sheet, right? So you will get that requirement sheet as per in the project, how they are demanding to create the product and how they are demanding to configure the product, right? So right now we are on early stage, so don't worry, and don't think about the requirements. You have to learn about the basic terminology of the CPQ. See, we have completed the first step of our CPQ training, right? We have completed the half part of our product catalog. Half part means we have just learned about how to create a product, how to add them in the price book, and how to create the product options and its features. Okay, again we have the remaining parts, that the option constraint, the product rules. Okay, before going to complete that, the remaining parts related to the product catalogs, I cannot provide you the requirement because you will be not able to understand, right? But again, I am creating the document sheet, sorry, the Excel sheet for you, for your purpose, sorry, for your exercise, that you can be create the products and you will get your hands dirty on the in the CPQ things. Okay, so don't worry about the requirement things. I will provide you the real time scenarios requirement. Okay, so you have to perform and you have to solve that requirements into your CPQ org. But before that, you have to understand the basic terminology. Okay, we are on just a first step. We have just created the products and product option and features. Okay, so how I can give you the requirement on the basis of this only, right? So requirement is not just like that. Hey Mike, or hey Abdul, just create these three products, and I need these three products in my org. Okay, so requirement doesn't come in that way. Requirements are different. So I have the documents. I'm working on that. You will get all the requirements. Don't worry about that. Okay, you will get the real time scenarios, and you guys have to be uh, perform it in your own org. Okay, I will check one by one, so don't worry about that. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
okay, then bye. Have a good day, everyone. Good night for us guys.
Bye.
All
Yeah.
right, bye.